encountering error 9007 or 504 on Roblox. You're not alone. Error 9007, often called service instances unavailable, means you can't connect to the game server. Think of it as the game being full or temporarily offline due to overload, maintenance, or regional issues. Error 504, a gateway timeout error, indicates that Roblox's servers are struggling to communicate, usually due to network congestion or delays. These errors are common because Roblox has over 200 million monthly active users, leading to server strain, especially during peak hours or special events. Roblox relies on cloud-based microservices to run the platform. When a massive amount of users try to join all at once, the servers can get overloaded, causing these errors. A recent widespread outage on November 15, 2025, caused by a DDoS attack, left millions facing these errors. Roblox is working on fixes, but let's explore some solutions you can try. First, try the basics. Restart your Roblox app and check your internet connection. A stable connection is crucial. You can also try switching networks, like using a VPN to reroute your traffic or clearing your Roblox cache. Sometimes the issue is temporary server-side congestion, so waiting a bit and trying again might solve the problem. If problems persist, check the Roblox status page for real-time updates on server issues. Game developers can also help reduce server load by optimizing game code and limiting concurrent players per server. Roblox is implementing load balancers and CDNs for faster content distribution to prevent these errors. Also note that as of 2025, Roblox has integrated predictive analytics to anticipate server spikes, which has reduced Error 504 incidents by 25% during major events.